Young people, wanna look good. Look here to me now, young people. Wanna know, say, when it come to the big crowd talking, I know Raymond that. So wanna work with me, right? Your vote is your voice. And anywhere the youth go, the nation follows. And tonight, the youth are with the PNP. So tomorrow, the nation follows the PNP. I have a simple task today, but you have a most important job on election day. The good thing about it is, on election day, all you and everybody you know have to do is put the X beside the head. Mark Golding and his cabinet and all of us on the government side, when the PNP win, we will do the rest. We know that the country needs young people. Your intelligence and your creativity will bring forward the suggestions and the proposals that will build Jamaica. You say substance over hype, because if you did believe in a hype, you'd have been somewhere else. So we know that all of you say substance over hype. We also know that you know that the PNP is the better party. We know that you know the PNP is a better party because you have already said by your presence here today that we have the better team and the better policy. When the youth speak, the future listens. Let me say that again. When the young people talk, the future listens. And we in the PNP listen to young people when them talk. So we know that the youth them that work as private security guards want an end to abusive contractual agreements. Some security guard can't take leave if them sick, because if them absent from work, they might never get back to work. The youth that attend tertiary institution want an end to deregistration, and they know that when the PNP is in power, we will end that abusive habit of deregistration. The youth who work in the construction sector, they want protective gears, health benefits, and better salary. And they know that when the PNP is in power, we will deliver better benefits and health care for young people in the construction sector. The youth who serve in the fire brigade want certification and a pathway to home ownership. And they know that when the PNP is in power, they will get that certification and that pathway to home ownership. The youth that work in the Jamaica Constabulary Force tell us that they want automatic qualification for an NHD host after 5 years of unbroken service in the Constabulary Force. The youth that work in the JDF also want a clear pathway to home ownership. In East Central St. Catherine, we have Cayman as track, and the youth that work as groomsmen and trainers want a pathway to home ownership. They want salary with pay slip, and they want a pay slip that show them NHD benefits so them can qualify for housing. The youth who work as teachers are demanding better salaries, better housing, and better conditions of service. And they know that when the PNP is in power, we say teachers because teachers say we. The youth in the agricultural sector are waiting on the Agricultural Development Fund. So they are waiting for the PNP to be in power so Dayton Campbell can be their agricultural minister and deliver the Agricultural Development Fund. Young people, the youth of Jamaica know that when the PNP is in power with Mark Golding as Prime Minister, the dreams you dream today will be the reality he creates tomorrow. The youth pledge their wisdom and their courage. They pledge the strength and vigor of their bodies. They pledge to stand up for justice and peace. They are willing to think generously and honestly so that Mark Golding can build up Jamaica under God. So we increase in beauty, fellowship, and real wealth. Your presence here tonight confirm to all of Jamaica that you know that time come now. Your presence tonight confirms to all Jamaica that you know the PNP is the better party for young people. The youth of East Central St. Catherine, met the General Secretary Sise Unodaya. East Central St. Catherine, make the Gen Sex Sise Unodaya. Listen me now. The youth of East Central St. Catherine know that X beside the head get rid of the imposter dread. And the youth of Jamaica know that time come for better livity. Uno say support for support. PNP support the young people. Time come for young people to support the PNP. One love, comrades, one heart.